morning, Philippines, and hello, world. Like, we have so many things to do today, and that includes deleting everything that is supposed to be in my phone, deleting some of my clothes, removing some of my clothes, and then we are going to just reset my whole life at this very point. Yeah, bye.
Driving like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God, introduce them to the light, hit them strictly with the.
Natawa lang ako. Naghahanap ako ng lagayan para sa iipunin ko kasi nga may pupunta kami ng UP Diliman sa 21-22. So I have lots of wallet kasi dito. So sabi ko, sige, lagay natin sa isang wallet para nakatabi talaga siya. Tapos pagbukas ko ng isang wallet, girl! Ay, natabi pala ako 500 dito. Like, nakita ko lang kasi siya sa TikTok na nagtatabi siya ng parang ganun. Para nga daw, hindi niya alam, hindi niya ma-spend. Tapos, like, thank you sa past self ko na naglagay dito ng 1K. So, isang na lang, buo na yung allowance ko para doon. Yun lang. Nawa lang ako.